In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Rockstar account for FiveM. And this is a very easy process, so just follow exactly what I'm doing. Now the first thing you want to do is press Windows key plus R on your keyboard, and once the Run box opens, just type in %local_app_data%, and then press Enter. Now once this folder opens, you want to look for a folder called Digital Entitlements, and when you find it, just right-click on it and delete it. So just delete that folder completely. Now after deleting it, what you want to do next is go to your recycle bin and make sure you empty it so the folder is fully removed. Now once that's done, the next thing you want to do is open FiveM, and when FiveM starts up, the Rockstar sign-in screen will pop up automatically. Now from here, all you have to do is simply sign in with a different Rockstar account or create a new one. And once you do that, FiveM will link to the new Rockstar account. And that's it. Your Rockstar account has now been changed for FiveM. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.